My name's Amy from Anchor Cars, and today I'm going to be taking you through this vehicle. If you do have any questions following on from the video, please don't hesitate to give us a call on the number shown above, and our salesman will be more than happy to go through those with you. This is the 2017 Nissan Juke. This vehicle has done just under 22,000 miles. It has an automatic transmission and a petrol fuel type. On the steering wheel we have features such as cruise control. We also have automatic wipers, automatic headlights, and a keyless ignition. On the screen, using buttons to the left, we can access radio, CD and Bluetooth. To the right we have map, navigation and setup. If we put the vehicle into reverse, we can see that it comes with a parking camera with parking sensors. Just below the screen we have our climate control. As we go into the back of the vehicle, you can see that it has a full leather black interior. Thank you for watching the video. Our opening hours are Monday to Friday 9 till 6, Saturday 9 till 5 and Sunday 10 till 4. I'll also be displaying our contact details on the screen for you now.